Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make poppy seeds and Himalayan pink salt body scrub. Why are scrubs used? Scrubs are used to remove the dead cells by gently exfoliating the skin. Body scrubs are of different types like salt scrub, sugar scrub, emulsified scrub and foaming scrub. Salt and sugar scrubs can be used as a lip scrub, and for face, oatmeal or walnut powder and jojoba beads are used because salt and sugar are much exfoliating and irritating. Most body scrubs consist of oils, butters and emulsifiers if it is an emulsified scrub, and surfactants if it is a foaming scrub. Active ingredients and botanical powders are added to give some extra benefit and conditioning to the skin. Body scrubs are mostly anhydrous, but a preservative like Optifan needs to be added if there is a chance of getting water into the scrub. The base of this body scrub consists of almond oil, shea butter, kokum butter, and I have added emulsifying wax NF and cetostearyl alcohol for emulsifying properties. For the exfoliation properties, I have used Himalayan pink salt and poppy seeds. Any other exfoliating ingredient can be used. Add some antiseptic, anti-inflammation and antibacterial properties. I have added turmeric powder, sandalwood powder and Amla Extract, which is oil soluble. To send this product and to add some extra benefit, I have added sandalwood essential oil and vitamin E to prevent the product going from rancid. For more ingredients and process, please read the blog which is in the description box below. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Emulsified scrub. We would need kokum butter and shea butter of 10% each, Cetostearyl alcohol of 5% and emulsifying wax NF of 15%, almond oil of 20.75%. I'm using a local organic almond oil. For the exfoliation, I'm using poppy seeds of 15% and Himalayan pink salt of 20%. Also, I'll be adding sandalwood powder of 1.5% and kasturi manjal of 0.5%. These butters, waxes and emulsifiers will be melted on a double boiler, and the cool down phase ingredients consist of vitamin E oil of 0.25%, essential oil of sandalwood 1% and Amla Extract of 1%. Once the oils, butters and emulsifying wax are melted, I'll be adding this exfoliating ingredients and then the cool down ingredients. This will go on a double boiler until all of the ingredients are completely melted and are liquid. Mixing a bit before putting it on a double boiler. Note that cetostearyl alcohol takes some time to melt and it might take more than 15 or 20 minutes to melt on a double boiler. I have melted all the ingredients. Since the kokum butter, sandalwood and kasturi manjal has dark color, it is in dark color. While it is getting cooled, I'll whip it using my blender. It is a mechanical one, but you could always use an electrical blender because it whips the scrub quickly. I'll add the Himalayan pink salt as well as the poppy seed along with the cool down ingredients. I'm mixing it thoroughly. You can whip it as well after adding the exfoliant ingredients. I'll pour it into this 100 ml round PET jar. And here it is, Kasturi Manjal, Sandalwood and Poppy Seed Scrub. I have sprinkled some Himalayan pink salt on the top. This can be a great body scrub. For a quick demo, this can be scrubbed and washed off easily with the water. Leaving the skin smooth and soft.